Licky in the team, it's Josh here.
And Sarah. Today was a bit of an eventful day. With my team, I did a concussion screening and referred on to a physio, which was the right choice because apparently he has a mild concussion. I queried about a vascular issue with one of the other players because he had really cold fingers and a lack of circulation, which I thought, and then sent that off also to physio. Strapped multiple ankles, knees, and 2 shoulders, and then that was pretty much it. We won one of our games, and then
Pretty solid,
yeah, that's it.
Sweet. Yeah, pretty much standard. A lot more massaging and myotherapy this morning because a lot of the boys and girls woke up a bit sore. So we're on to day 3 now, so they're starting to feel the effects of fatigue and stuff like that. Just the usual, did a lot of strapping. I actually ran onto the field for my first time today, which was scary, but I didn't hesitate. Ran straight on. The guy had an issue with his shoulder. Took him off straight onto the ice, so gave him some ice. Did a quick assessment just to test out the range of motion in the shoulder. Turns out he was all good. Went and did an ice bar, got it assessed by the physio, strapped it up for the next game, and turns out that everything was all sweet. But apart from that, just been doing just the usual stuff, getting consistent with it. Tomorrow's the last day, so we're keen to head home and join back up with the team. Yeah.